Too much ashafo be ma obibia akwaba ebre aso se enen so menemo adwedwe ensem a ekoso ewo omayi emumedi beto apono so ne etwe ne sre ene abasese de mamuni no bomofo ene ne nam ewo akwaso na ne de nam eda akwaso ayebawo abusuafo ese wani ensese ye kacho abaya bidi na bufu hye edisende de akwa eye ne followers eso ama wotwitwa ede abowo mo akeka na adwen de akire wo because ohun ni sensemfo ehi enti wosa woka na wakoma etowo eye na abusua moma yembunra ensem no emu. Delay react to the claim that she is nothing without a husband. We any ensema ene de ye babe bobo. Abusuan for say the mamuni no broadcast journalist. Our sayo host Edema Delay show. Yeni aba Dolores from Pom Manso adidro na ni say Dilo. Delay abaya yi edim fonin etu ye ni page som na che say abrantie bi ekokko kire wo asiese wo no de wonya hwe se woni kunu a anase bema enka no ho a wonye ni pampo say you are nothing without a husband. Na che say woni bema de a ene na che so wo mu hu ne say abaya no wodi mu oyefu a anase o sipi esita wo mu hu eye bibi papa bia e wo no ho na abrantie kwadwo peprade sa ensem wei etu edwa epe na che say delay ekokko reply no one chen so because ade bi wo hono ma o chen so na edwa ni die nye de ade bi wo hono ma ye hye na wo se wudi ne tententem ma wo ho esepa wo ho etimi eba wo ntie ne asem no one chen so wanye na adwen krampo se wo be kana no atom wo ho ne se abrante no wo se efota se ye kanya sasem bi ede ekire no na eno ena che sa abaye yi edi na bufuo ekọ no so e describe ne ho se ono oye phenomenal no sanso achiever oye trailblazer oye blessing to her family and the country as well. Now wo wie ye no ena che so wo descend ye edekọ abrantie no eso no wo kire mo se wono wonyi ni nyina na ye ka che ne se ane on fatal like ye ka bompo sem ede ekire no dan so wa mani nyina empu na bam wo ko enkoden asese wa ateni eye ne current status yi enti se hu ne se wonya hwede a ene wo kire mu se o say I am everything and more. I am a phenomenal woman, an achiever, a trailblazer, a blessing to my family and this country. The only thing here is you. Nobody knows you. The only time you have been of relevance is now, and it's only because you try to throw that on a great woman like me. You are just another non-entity who will never be celebrated. You will be lost in the sand of time and long forgotten. We ene ensema eye Dolores from Pom Manso wo hie edigu abrantem tumu se ade no ahye ne boache ne ebufo ne baye no enye ne na chese waye na adwen se de wo be kanu no wonu susu be hie edi amanti abrante yi kwadwo peprade ne ho bebete ye ene na osiso me na ne ebe yo wo sani we nyina digu om so he me yo bia me dimu o me yo bia mabobra me yo bia ma ye bibi dia ma me ama brabo ama ene de Ghana ni wiase afa na nyina ma ye nhira e dia ma mapusua ene wiase afa na nyina ne titru o man Ghana mu ma bo akrofo bebre ma ye ya man krofo romodo e dia man krofo enkrofo hwe me asua me enkrofo hu me se an me suso no me yo obi enti se hu ni se be man ka me wonti me ndi mu dia ene wo boa ye pe wo bi a wo no wondi mu why say enchina ye dia frɛ anwea dia ene na ye wo eye kodwo peprawo because we ye non entity yeah can will be what like we want send for takrampo say do e can nipa ehun na wo de emra wetin ya relevant and we say for na obi ehun ye mre we all because of self wo be kasa fin kasa tantan kasa twitwie e de a kire me oba me sombo me ye delay me wa ba be ka me ho asem no nti e na ama wa ye relevant e bia obi ebe hu anaso obi ebe busa se sa akodo pepre wona wan ama obi akwa hwehwe all because of me a wo bebe ye me nti e na bia nka benya fem ka nya sa pan dia enya de se wo kodo pepra wo nka wo betimi edi emu bebiara eda na eno na wo sa eto so bia me kasa ne he will never be celebrated. Not as I say, you're best celebrating. Say delay, you're celebrating and so you'll be a why ya no ma bebre, ban delay macro, delay sardine, why ya macaroni, and no one cron a banner. Meaning now, your boy a Dolores from Poor Manson, and any show delay. Not just one only celebrating or our new mem. Now one look on your paper and hair fan, and you're best celebrating. And to one no, we are see a one at the banny we are see. A free say or warrior, a copy that will be war. And ya dare say you best celebrating no what as a for us say so edda na wo be yira et say ania in time also wo be yira also you will be lost in the stand of time and long forgotten. I just say nipa wure be few wo be yet say ania nipa wu na wodane ania bia no ano no ye wure fi no yen kan ni biom sa ebre bia ya yesie no no yetimi ko tutu wo kra bo sa do be foforo ye den e hye ho no na chese wo twem sa e na chese wo describe ye abrantie yi e de ema no emra wo kotro ye say ye delay ye nothing without a husband na abusuafo and some way e ba ye no e na Ghana fo binom enso e twa omadwe ema ye Aisha e dia wo de e ba wo say I will post this guy picture. First thing, may the Father in heaven forgive me. I grew up hearing people telling me also that I am nothing, but I fought my whole life to prove myself that I am something. And I wouldn't let anyone do the same to anybody. I don't take such trash. And also so idea what they ever was a chef or they are branding for you, baba. What the people go social media am obi ehun say nipa no so oye nipo so oye den yo ene say book mu nipo say adron no say ye say the ye no bia no what the nifonyi ebeba baba to social media am obi ehun because ono so no wonyini no sa na ye ka che no so ono so ye adwuma den sa ama ono so atimi adrum pempe so bi enti sa samfun bi say no ye mfa na feature enti ohun say ye de bi di eye no yonko ba na eye ne ye enti wono wo beboa eye delay e woni kunu emu ye nua bi so e de wo de eba wo say delay you shouldn't have even listened to them, you shouldn't have even replied them, you should have gone a blind eye on what he said ono so e de eno no enti ke ye wo aka be ka wono atu se wunya nware ye na da bia ye de awade ye twa wo mpoa ne ye wa jai aya Ghana for munya sanya atwum nyoma no we ono so ne de bo so ko no de anko ndo be ka che ohu mi senka delay anko wonye de won pu na ningu sa asa no so nko wonyi na ni se de wa hu senka wo we na ke de ye wa kenya de se bia bo ka ba ye de chenze aya ma mo mfa ne so ye celebrate nti ni kwa so kasa o ye celebrate e dia moja e na ewo ni mu enti wakasa e wo se to de bia wo manipa ne ehu ni gina sibie ebusua ye nua eye Henrietta enso e dia wo de e ba wo se that's all my lady, that's all. You have to make them know their point, their stand, because not anyone can just insult you. For you to know cry no, he is even not working, doesn't have anything, sleeping in a kiosk somewhere dirty place, and he's talking trash to you. It's good that you've made him know his stand. And also so at the end say why are dear papa be come cramp no onu kra wani baby da obeko na kiosk obi kiosk bi mpo and wo perch ho baby basa tantan bi na wote when your credit bi a wa abandon ti no wo be cancel from e de a kire ye pan se wo ma no ehunu baby e wo se wo kina eno apa eno no next time wo mo ebe hweye e wo mo nsem a wo mo e de etu edwa no eso ye nua ye saki e de a wo de e ba o se oh my dear, it's really hurtful for people to say this to you, but you shouldn't have insulted him that way. But all the same, it is well. why did he also say such a thing? No so ede o de ebaye o hu ni se nka delay keni kwan prampo say wo reply eye abrante na so hu ni se abrante so ko kan sa eye den and say wa wo hu ni de na che say wa yi hu anu awie ti ade nti na sa de ban ye nua bi so ede a wo de ebaye o say these people need to be taught sense into their mind. They always put people problems on social media discussing it, but meanwhile theirs are bigger than ours. Hey, it's good that delay made him know his stand. Also, I don't know single for him this the bia wo maka performance and for sense what you celebrate near the next war net na your champion near the cheer say near can say and so we go na bush na dia e koso wo mu no krampo no and so chen e celebrating ni no edit e pa say delay wa ke kanadu wa bo na adwen e de a kire no next time wo bi e kasa wo be hu e kwanya wo be fa so akasa e de a kire no ebusuan for delay anu ya wo de ma e abrante kwadwo pepra say or catch and say you are nothing without a husband also so atutu man who say you no kwan so no and na wugina wo man ko hu ni sanka ye delay kon kana no ntu na ko wonye de wo mpu na ni enguso no ho ana said anka ye de ye wo anka ba react so for wadin cheba na subscribe e share from abusuan for all the social media platform na me about no so say na ye upload video bi an so watimi enya notification e wo phone so na won so watimi a share wadwen e de amaye na mama room fi so comment so wo de beto comment section ho e de amaye me amedi dwumade ho chia me medi ene ekua sikapa dasene ye besane hia.